Meghalaya Congress is not in favour of putting the ILP issue in their manifesto, and this was confirmed by the AICC leaders who met aspiring Congress candidates in Shillong today. An AICC delegation led by Rajya Sabha MP Mukul B. Wasnik today visited Shillong to take stock of the election preparedness of the party in the state. Addressing media persons, Wasnik said that some big leaders will soon join the party to fill up the vacuum created in the Meghalaya Congress. Optimistic of putting up a good show, the AICC leader said that projecting new candidates would benefit Congress in the run-up to the elections.
And all friends who are here.
Just being new candidate, I don't think that this is a disadvantage at all. At several places we have seen people contesting for the first time. People who are young are getting very good support from the electorate everywhere, and solely I think BJP has polluted Indian democracy like anything, and that is threat to our democracy.
3 toddlers died in an infernal